Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be going through a Valentine's Day nail tutorial. I have done this for Halloween and Christmas. I just do a little kind of Skittle Manny and show you guys how I did it. I did different designs on pretty much every nail. They're all pretty much sporadic. So this is the left hand and the thumb, and then here is the right hand and the thumb. I love doing my nails for every holiday, so I figured I would film this and do a tutorial for you guys before Valentine's Day this weekend. So that is what we are going to be doing today. If you are new here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get started. So I hope you liked this tutorial for Valentine's Day. I hope you get some good ideas for your nails for Valentine's Day. I am going to be keeping these on for at least a few days until they start chipping, and then I'm going to take them off and see what I do. I don't know if these are going to actually last until Valentine's Day, but we will see. I'm really happy with how they turned out. It wasn't really that difficult to do any of them, but I've also been doing my nails for years, so it takes a lot of practice to do it. And of course, I use little tiny brushes, which you don't really have to use. You can do something else if you want, but I have the tools handy, so figured I would use them. But everything else is pretty straightforward. You can do things differently depending on what tools you have and how simplified you want to get. I mean, you can really just do either the textured polish. This gradient is not that difficult. If you have any type of sponge on hand, then you can use that. And then the heart, I just used a regular brush, the brush that comes with the polish. So you can do it however you want, really. These are just some ideas that I wanted to give you guys because I just have so much fun doing nail art, and I have done them for every holiday, so I figured I would do these. I'm going to be doing another one for St. Patrick's Day as well because that's what I'm going to be doing. I just love doing nail art. Let me know if you like how I do these, or if you want me to do full hand designs, like if you want me to do one whole hand using one type of design and then another whole hand using a different type of design. Let me know which one you like better. It doesn't really matter to me. I just like doing skittle manis, and I think it's a fun way to do so many different designs in one manicure, so that is why I do it. But let me know which way you prefer. Let me know down below if you do any of these designs for your nails, or if you do any other designs for Valentine's Day. I am going to be posting my pictures on my Instagram, so please do follow me at Rinny Rainey if you want to check out any more pictures of my nails and my nail art. I post it all on my Instagram, and of course let me know there if you do any nail art as well. But that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!